In this series, we will see some tips to make your cooking journey easy. Welcome to Ashwini Tarkar's cookbook. Let's see today's tip.
Let us see how to sprout whole moong or green gram. Take 1 cup whole moong. Wash and soak for 8 to 10 hours. Tie in a cloth after it is soaked. Keep a strainer in a bowl and transfer all the moong onto the cloth. Now tie the cloth tightly. There has to be no gap in between, then there won't be good sprouts. So let it be tight. Then you can place little water in the bowl. Place a strainer on it, keep the tied moong on it, and then cover it with a utensil which is tight so that it generates warmth. Keep for 12 hours. After 12 hours, you can see the sprouts. You can use them as it is at this point, or for Goan cooking, we like to remove the kernels. So we will soak it again for 10 to 12 hours in plenty water so that the kernels float on the top. So after 12 hours you can see all the green kernels have come up. They are floating. Now this is the difficult process. Difficult means it is time consuming. So take in small batches and remove the kernels as shown. They float so it is easy to remove them. Only thing is you need little patience. So it needs around 5 to 6 attempts to make it totally kernel free. So do it and keep doing till all the kernels are removed. If few remain, that is okay because they will come up, they will float once you start cooking it, and that time also you can remove, but maximum you try to remove when it is not cooked. You can see they are floating. In 5 attempts I have been able to clean it this well. So do it, and in small batches when you do it is easy. In similar manner do for the remaining sprouts. Now there are sprouts left in the kernels also, so remove them, and you can also keep it for another 4 5 hours, and you will find the kernels remaining sprouts also coming out, see, and that can be used in salads or something later. You can see this is all done. Now it is ready to cook.
If you have liked the tip, share it with someone who loves cooking.